What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your special guest, Storm Harper, with your Sunday, January 20th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. We'd like to say thank you to Storm Harper, who has already gifted us with extra inches, and will continue to spread the blessing until late evening tonight. Temperatures will be in the 20s with a low of -3, so make sure to bundle up and wear extra layers. Thanks to Mother Nature, we will be opening with 26 trails that our team is grooming for you right now, so hit up our untouched slopes while you still can. And with winds from 13 miles per hour, the snow should feel like first tracks each ride. And you really don't want to miss out on these gnarly conditions. And join us Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, for some family-friendly activities with WXLO, who will be hosting a contest and more. Go to events for more details. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the POW.